This Dejana DuraCube Max 12 feet box truck van bodies offer maximum versatility, flexibility and utility. It is located at the Old Bridge, New Jersey location. There may be additional rebates available off the selling price of this box truck. You must come and see this box truck along with the many box trucks we carry in every length and size. The craftsmanship behind the DuraCube Max must be seen to be appreciated. The heavy-duty design and convenient features clearly separate this unit from others in its class. It offers 4 doors per side with 1 to 24-inch vertical compartment, 2 to 37.5-inch horizontal compartments and 1 to 17-inch vertical compartment in the rear. All compartments feature industrial door handles, heavy-duty hinges with grease fittings and stainless steel fasteners. The doors feature dual contact point door seals, on door and frame, for optimal sealing capability, and heavy-duty door frames and chains with 180/0 drop-down for easy access deep into the compartment. There are 2 shelves in each vertical compartment and 2 shelves with dividers in each horizontal compartment. The vertical compartment shelving is mounted on a Unistratrack system, so it is infinitely adjustable to accommodate tools, cylinders and storage requirements. It has convenient 70/30 split rear doors provide rear access to the cargo area. The 70 side is great for routine access, while the 30 side is there for those times when large items need to be loaded and unloaded. When both are open, the opening width is a convenient 50-inch. This box truck Max is equipped with extras like bulkhead wall with sliding cab access door, compartment lighting, backup alarm, aluminum 3-roof bow ladder rack, aluminum rear access ladder, attic peak front, limited slip 4.10 ratio axle, 5.4 LEFI Triton V8 FFV engine, automatic 5-speed transmission with OD-INC, oil cooler and tow haul, unique full LHRHB pillar trim, dual high back bucket seatsink, inboard armrests, front license plate bracket, high series exterior upgrade packaging, front chrome bumper grille and dual seal beam with fixed lens headlamps, all-season LT 225/75R16 EBSW tires, manual telescopic trailer tow mirrors with power adjust flat lens, Max front GAWR, fuel tank 40-gallon capacity, Oxford White, payload package incorporated, 12,500 GVWR, power locks and windows and driver 1 touchdown window, option packaging, air conditioning, electronic AM/FM stereo radio, light convenience group front airbags, vinyl floor covering.